My name is Mindy. I'm from the Edina Library in Hennepin County. I have been missing all of my Storytime friends so much. I'm excited to share this time with you here today. Let's get started with a song. I like to start my story times with, "These are my glasses." Maybe you know this one. First, we need to put on a pair of pretend glasses. I'm going to put on a pair of pretend glasses over top of my real glasses. You like this? Now my pretend glasses look a little bit different. Did you notice that? It's okay if you did. It's okay to be curious about that. My glasses look different because I have one hand with 5 fingers that can make a circle like this. On the other side, I have a little arm because that's how I was born. I have this helper hand. It's shaped a little bit differently, as you can see. It can't make a circle, but it can do other things like open and close. Grown-ups, if your kids have questions or comments or just want to shake their sillies out, feel free to pause the video at any time. Take as much time as you need and join us when you're ready. Okay, Storytime friends, are we ready with our pretend glasses? Now we need a pretend book. Here's my pretend book. You make yours by putting your hands together. Now I think we're ready to sing. Now my family's going to join in. Maybe you're home with your family and they would like to join in too. All right, come on and join in. This is my daughter Lilia. She's going to join with us today. We ready?
These are my glasses, this is my book. I put on my glasses and open up the book. Now I read, and I look. Now I put down my glasses and whoop, close up the book.
Let's try again.
These are my glasses, this is my book. I put on my glasses and open up the book. Now I read, and I look. Now I put down my glasses and whoop, close up the book.
That was fun. Thanks for joining me on that one. All right. Well, since it is Limb Difference Awareness Month in April, I am so glad that I got a chance to talk to you a little bit about what makes me different. Now I'd like to share a book with you about lots of different ways that people can be different from one another. This is called It's Okay to Be Different by Todd Parr. Let's read it together. It's okay to be missing a tooth, or 2, or 3. It's okay to need some help. It's okay to have a different nose. It's okay to be a different color. It's okay to have no hair. It's okay to have big ears. It's okay to have wheels. It's okay to be small, medium, large, extra large. It's okay to wear glasses. It's okay to talk about your feelings. How do you feel? Grr, purr, roar, maybe something else. It's okay to eat macaroni and cheese in the bathtub. I've never done that before. Have you? It's okay to say no to bad things. It's okay to come from a different place. It's okay to be embarrassed. It's okay to come in last. It's okay to dance by yourself. It's okay to have a pet worm. It's okay to be proud of yourself. It's okay to have 2 different moms. It's okay to have 2 different dads. It's okay to be adopted. It's okay to have an invisible friend. It's okay to do something nice for someone. It's okay to lose your mittens. It's okay to get mad. It's okay to do something nice for someone. Or for yourself. Sorry about that. That ice cream cone sure does look nice. It's okay to help a squirrel collect nuts. It's okay to have different kinds of friends. It's okay to make a wish. What do you wish for? It's okay to be different. You are special and important just because of being who you are. Love, Todd. Wow, I love that there were so many different types of people doing so many different types of things in that book. Did you see someone who was like you? Or maybe you saw someone who was like a friend of yours. It is fun to make new friends and learn about what makes them different. Grown-ups, when your child meets someone who has a disability or other kind of difference, take the time to talk about it. It's okay for them to ask questions. It's okay for you to answer them or even say that you don't know the answer. It's okay to ask questions of the person that you're wondering about, and it's a great time to model asking polite questions. The more that we can talk about our differences, the more that we create a more compassionate and understanding world for our kids. Okay, I think it's time to sing again. Are we ready? Let's sing one of my favorite storytime songs about riding on an elevator. You ready to join me? This is called Let's Go Riding on an Elevator.
Let's go riding on an elevator, elevator, elevator. Let's go riding on an elevator. Come along with me. First floor, second floor, third floor, fourth floor, fifth floor, and down, 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 down.
Let's try again, shall we?
Let's go riding on an elevator, elevator, elevator. Let's go riding on an elevator. Come along with me. First floor, second floor, third floor, fourth floor, fifth floor, and down, 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 down.
Thank you for singing with me. Thanks, Lilia. I like that song because it's a great chance to practice our ordinal numbers like first, second, and third. But it's also just fun to sing. And next time, if you have scarves or streamers that you can wave up and down while you sing, it's even more fun, I promise. Okay, well, excuse me, I think I need a piece of bubblegum. Let's have one together. You practice. You pretend too. Let's get a piece of bubblegum, unwrap, put it in our mouths and chew it up. I do like bubblegum. Let's blow a bubble. All right, ready? That's pretty big, but I think we can do better. Ready? Oh my goodness, it is so big. Let's try again. Oh no! Oh, my hands are covered in sticky bubblegum. Are your hands covered?
Yeah.
Are your hands covered? Oh no. Let's sing. Sticky, sticky, sticky bubblegum, bubblegum, bubblegum. Sticky, sticky, sticky bubblegum, sticking my hand to my head. Oh, it's stuck. Try to pull it off a little bit. Oh, it's not coming off. We're gonna have to work together. All of our Storytime friends, count to 3 and pull as hard as you can, but watch out for the people around you. I'll watch out for you. 1, 2, 3, unstick! We did it. Okay, let's sing again. Sticky, sticky, sticky bubblegum, bubblegum, bubblegum. Sticky, sticky, sticky bubblegum, sticking my hand to my elbow. Is it stuck?
Yeah.
Mine's stuck. Can't get it off. We're gonna have to work together again. 1, 2, 3, unstick! Nice job. We did it. Let's sing again. Sticky, sticky, sticky bubblegum, bubblegum, bubblegum. Sticky, sticky, sticky bubblegum, sticking my hand to my other hand. They're stuck together. Ugh, can't pull Okay, let's work together. Watch out for people around you, but pull hard. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Unstick! We did it! Oh, our hands are so sticky. I think we should wash our hands. Get them nice and clean so we don't have this problem anymore. Let's get some water, get them wet. Okay, now we need some soap. Gotta get some soap. Okay, ready? We need a hand washing song. Wash, wash, wash your hands. Got to get them clean. Each and every finger and lather in between. Should we try again? We've got to make sure our hands are clean, so we better sing it 2 times. Wash, wash, wash your hands. Got to get them clean. Each and every finger and lather in between. There, all clean. Very nice. Thanks, everybody. Well, that is the end of story time today. Thank you so much for joining me and for singing along and reading stories with me. I am so glad we had a chance to do this. I hope that you will keep talking, reading, writing, singing, and playing as much as you can with your family throughout the week. And join us next time for more virtual story times. Watch our Facebook page or check out our website, hclib.org, for lots of digital resources, including ebooks for kids. Until next time, let's say goodbye. We say goodbye with a song at story time, so let's sing our goodbye song. Ready? It's time to say goodbye. It's time to say goodbye. Goodbye, my friends. Goodbye, my friends. It's time to say goodbye. Goodbye, friends.